A month after the debut of the much-discussed Ferrari Luce, the Maranello's first electric vehicle, rumors continue to swirl. The latest report, published by Bloomberg, claimed that some dealers were pressuring customers to place orders for the Luce to avoid losing their top client status or jeopardizing future access to Ferrari's most exclusive limited-run models. But that's simply not the case. Ferrari Chief Marketing Officer Enrico Galliera directly denied those claims in an interview with our colleagues at Automoto.it, offering a straightforward response. Speaking with Automoto, Galliera made it abundantly clear. Many rumors circulate about the Ferrari market, but this one is false. Our position has been clear from the beginning. The Luce was designed for a different type of customer, not necessarily for long-time Ferrari owners, although they are, of course, welcome to buy one. Galliera added that such a strategy would ultimately hurt Ferrari. For one, unhappy customers would become a bad ambassadors for the brand, spreading negative opinions and damaging Ferrari's reputation. He also noted that dissatisfied owners might quickly resell their Luce models, hurting resale values and potentially creating a downward spiral in the used market. Asked about demand for the Luce, Galliera declined to share specific order figures but said sales are meeting the company's expectations. He added that orders are currently split roughly evenly between new and existing Ferrari customers. According to Bloomberg, some collectors and industry insiders have suggested that buying a Ferrari Luce could improve a customer's chances of gaining access to future limited production models. The outlet cited several investors and Ferrari customers who spoke anonymously due to privacy concerns. One source reportedly claimed that purchasing a Luce was necessary to maintain status among Ferrari's most important clients.